Rise Guide and MasterClass are two online learning platforms, but they serve fundamentally different purposes. Rise Guide focuses on habit building and daily action through short, practical exercises. MasterClass emphasizes inspiration and entertainment through long-form video lessons taught by famous experts. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both platforms. Rise Guide is designed as a self-improvement app that encourages consistent daily action. It offers shorter sessions covering communication, mindset, habits, and productivity. The platform emphasizes doing activities and exercises rather than passive watching. Rise Guide is built around small steps and repetition, making it more practical than inspirational. It is particularly effective for users who buy courses but never finish them. MasterClass is a polished high-production platform featuring famous instructors such as Gordon Ramsay, Martin Scorsese, and Chris Voss. Lessons are presented as entertaining, cinematic videos. The platform excels at providing inspiration, creative ideas, and motivation through expert storytelling. However, learning is largely passive, and users may watch many lessons without applying what they have learned. It functions similarly to educational Netflix in terms of consumption style. Key comparison points. Learning style. Rise Guide emphasizes active daily exercises and application. MasterClass emphasizes passive video watching and inspiration. Content format. Rise Guide offers short practical sessions. MasterClass offers long-form cinematic video lessons. Instructors. Rise Guide focuses on structured self-improvement methods. MasterClass features famous experts and celebrities. Goal. Rise Guide targets habit, change, consistency, and personal development. MasterClass targets creative motivation, interesting ideas, and entertainment. User type. Rise Guide suits users who struggle with consistency and need hands-on guidance. MasterClass suits users who naturally finish courses and enjoy learning through expert storytelling. Recommendations. Choose MasterClass if you want inspiration, interesting ideas, creative motivation, and enjoy long-form video content. It is best suited for users who already finish courses consistently and prefer learning by listening. Two experts discuss their experiences. Choose Rise Guide if your goal is to improve habits, communication, discipline, confidence, or productivity. It is best suited for users who struggle with consistency and want a more hands-on action-oriented approach that pushes toward daily application rather than passive consumption. Conclusion. The choice between Rise Guide and MasterClass depends on whether you prioritize active habit building and consistency or inspirational entertainment-driven learning. Rise Guide pushes toward action and daily practice. MasterClass emphasizes inspiration and expert storytelling. Select based on your learning style and personal development goals.